We're making Philly cheesesteaks on the Blackstone. Let's go. Start prepping our vegetables. Start with an onion. Thin slices. Putting all of our vegetables into a bowl. Sliced baby mushrooms into the same bowl. Bell pepper. And then lastly, we got a jalapeno, leaving the seeds and all. All right, got all our vegetables in a bowl. We're gonna hit that with a little bit of olive oil. Toss in some salt, pepper, garlic. Give it a good toss. Thinly sliced ribeyes. Chop it thinly. All right, everything's prepped. Let's go ahead and head over to the griddle. Bacon grease going down. Go ahead and drop our vegetables down. We're gonna toss them around a little bit, then we're gonna cover. While our vegetables are growing, we're gonna go ahead and toast our bread. Just got mayonnaise down on the bun. Bread is starting to look nice and toasted a little bit longer. All right, flip, cook the other side. Bread is done. Chopped steak going down. We're gonna go back down with some salt, pepper, garlic, just like we did on the vegetables. Toss it around for just a minute. Got our steak cooked down. Just gonna go ahead and combine that with the veggies. Provolone cheese. And we scoop. All right, y'all, well, there they are right there. Meaty, cheesy, lots of good spice in there with the jalapenos, onions, bell peppers, mushrooms. This is about to be delicious. So we're gonna dive in. As always, you know we gotta go in for a bite for y'all. Killer. That's so good. Got a little bit of kick on there. Leaving them seeds in there to give it a little bit extra kick. Y'all comment below, what would y'all add to these sandwiches to make them better? Philly cheesesteak here on the griddle. Really simple, easy. Took me all of about 15 minutes. Y'all comment below, like I said, what would y'all do different to these sandwiches? If y'all would, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel. We'll see y'all next time.